Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota Camry, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how we complete this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin by opening your trunk and removing your floorboard. We can now remove our rear threshold by removing 4 push pins with a flathead screwdriver. Now gently pull up on your rear scuff panel, releasing the clips underneath. We can now release this tie down in the carpeted trim by pushing in on the center and pulling it away from the vehicle. You can now pry this clip up using a trim panel tool. Remove one final retaining clip using your trim panel tool. You can now peel away the carpeted trim and expose the grommet for our power wire. We're going to use this grommet for our power wire, or if you choose to route the 4-flat connector to a bracket under the bumper, you will also pass them through here. Ground your converter box to this nut right here. You can remove it using a 10mm socket. Place your ground wire behind the existing electrical harness and affix it with the screw. We can now disconnect the vehicle's tail lights and connect our wire harness. You do not necessarily need to pop these away from the body, but we're going to do it for clarity. Use a trim panel tool to pop it away, depress the tab to remove the connector. Now connect the wiring harness to the respective vehicle connectors. Your yellow and brown connector will connect on the driver's side. Return the previously removed connector to its seating point. Tuck any additional wires behind the vehicle wire harness so they can be zip tied securely later. We can now connect the green and the red connector to the passenger side taillight. We can now zip tie the green and red wire to the vehicle's existing wiring harness, so it will hide behind the scuff panel. We're now ready to route our power wire from the battery to the trunk, so let's go ahead and remove our grommet and jump to the engine compartment. We're now ready to connect our power wire to the 12-volt battery. We're going to go ahead and use this U-Haul exclusive pre-braided OEM style power lead. Let's go ahead and take a look. Remove the battery cover. Remove this nut with a 12mm socket. Place the ring terminal of your fuse holder over the post and reaffix the 12mm nut. Fold it down to lower the profile, and it can be hidden underneath the cover. In order to utilize the pre-braiding and keep it near the hot parts of the engine, we're going to go underneath and fish wire this end back up to connect to the fuse holder. Pass the fishing pole down the firewall, following the hard metal brake lines. Tape the fuse holder end to your fishing pole and pull back up the firewall. Now route the power wire to the fuse holder and insert. You can now zip tie the fuse holder to an existing electrical harness to keep it snug and secure, so we can route the power wire backwards. Now route the power wire rearward, avoiding any hot or moving parts and hiding it in any trim panels along the way. Use zip ties to secure it to any hard metal brake lines or electrical wiring you find. At the rear of the vehicle, go over any cross members and be sure to avoid any suspension parts. We have routed the power wire to the rear of the vehicle. The grommet we want to access is up there. So let's go into the trunk, pass a fish wire down, tape it to the 12-volt wire, and pull it back up. Trim off any excess wire. We can now cut a hole in our grommet for the power wire to pass through. You can now connect it to the converter box using a heat shrink butt connector. Use a heat source like a butane torch to melt the heat shrink. Now reseat the grommet. If you have black silicone or gasket maker, you can fill in the cut with the silicone. Now use the provided double-sided sticky tape to affix the converter box in an out-of-the-way location. Now use a zip tie to coil up and secure all the excess wiring. Coil up the 4-flat connector, use the dust cover as a tie, and place these out of the way until we're ready to use them in the future. You can now replace all the previously removed trim clips. You can now return the rear scuff panel by gently pushing in the trim clips. You can now return your floorboard. With everything installed, you can now insert the fuse and cover with the provided cover. When you're ready to use your wire harness, you can access it by lifting up on the floorboard and moving the styrofoam insert. Your wires can now be stretched out to your accessories or your trailer. That concludes wiring for your Toyota Camry. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.